So the high level brake light on my Freelander 2 has failed. Got some replacements from Lucas, Halfords, a couple of quid for 2. Now the way to get in there, there's no screws. Under here is 2 clips. And you need an implement. I've just got a piece of plastic, thin plastic, so it doesn't scratch the paintwork. And we just have to ease it underneath the rubber seal into there, and then depress the clip. You should hear it go with a click. Bit fiddly. There we go, there's the click. Now that pulls, and then that one should just come the same. Somehow. It just unclips, and out it comes. And here you can see clip there, clip here, and all you're doing is depressing that there to release. So there's the bulb, just pulls out, and you got a new one which is clear because there's a red lens inside there. Just pushes in. Back in, twists into place. Now there's a rubber seal on here. I've already replaced this at some point in the past because it was leaking water into my boot. So what I'm going to do now is just put a bit of Vaseline or white grease around here just to reseal it. But again, if you need to replace the seal, which are cheap off Amazon or wherever, eBay maybe, it's just a matter of peeling off the old one and then stick the new one on, make sure it's firmly stuck, and then put a bit of Vaseline or white grease around to make it a watertight seal. So I'll just make sure it works before we put it all back together. Looks good to me. So now it's just a matter of putting everything back together. Just clip it back in. There we go. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.